Today is the last day of this year 2024, and this evening the service in the Basilica Pendol will begin at 11:30. 11:30 we have a prayer in preparation and in thanksgiving for this year that God has given us. At 12 o'clock we will have the solemn Mass. The church also today celebrates the feast, the solemnity of Mary, Mother of God. So we usher in this new year through the intercession of our Heavenly Mother. So the Mass will be at 12 o'clock midnight. So you are most welcome for this Mass. The veneration of the sacred relics will continue as usual from 6 o'clock in the morning till 7 o'clock in the evening. Veneration will stop only on the 4th of January is the last day of the veneration. There will be no veneration on the 5th of January. So 4th is the last day for veneration. Please note. 5th morning is the closing ceremony of the solemn exposition. The procession from the cathedral to the basilica will begin at 9:30 in the morning on the 5th of January. And by 10:30 the relics should be back in the basilica. And soon after the relics are kept in the basilica, we will be having the closing solemn Holy Eucharist presided over by our own Archbishop Philip Neri Cardinal Ferrara.